In this video, I'm going to show you how to show roles on member list in Discord. So, as you can see, I've got a new server, and here are 4 people in here, well, me and 3 bots. And if I assign each and every one of us a random role that I created, let's say I'm the creator, then Miku is going to be the biggest fan, and then Musical Tune is going to be the rookie, okay? As you can see, we've got our roles, and when you press on us, it says which role we are, but the roles are not shown separately. And we're going to fix this right now. So we want to go up here, when it says your server name, go to server settings, and then right here, you press on roles, okay? And you press on each role, so we have creator first, scroll down, and then you see this box here, which says display role members separately from online members. Then you have to check this box, okay? And do this with every single role. And when you do this, you save changes, and then go out, and as you can see, we have every single role separately, okay? And maybe a bonus tip, you can quickly assign roles by pressing this plus icon over here, okay? That's the first way, and you can also remove roles. As you can see, I just removed myself from the creator role. And the second way to do it, which is probably more organized, is going back to server settings, roles, and then under each and every single role, you have manage members, where you can click on multiple members and add them in there at once. So it's a bit faster and a bit more organized if you have more people in your server, but if not, then maybe the previous version I showed you is a bit more convenient and faster. So one more thing, you may want to show a different role than, in my case, creator at the very top over here. So let's say the biggest fan is a tier above creator, and you want to show it above the creator tier. What you do is go into server settings, then into roles, and you just drag the role you want to show on top of the other role. As you can see, I put biggest fan on top, and let's say I want to put rookie second and creator third. So you press save changes, go out here, and as you can see, Miku as the biggest fan is now first, Musical Tune as the bot is now, or as the rookie is now second, and creator, myself, is now third. And yeah, that's basically it.